Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since my last video. I've been working like crazy in the last month. If you remember from the last video, I said our team released a new platform. So this month, we've been trying to give it a soft launch, and then we have invited people to try our new platform and new packages. At this point, it's being really stable and very easy to use, so I'm really glad that happened. In this month, I've seen a lot of great questions are posted in the comments, and people are asking me questions about my roadmap and the skills that I should require in order to work in the AI engineering field. I've been thinking about how to answer that question because people might think AI engineer is just one job. It's actually a huge industry. It covers many different roles. When people are referring to AI engineers, they might be thinking about like the ones who are training like AI models, and they're like really like writing research papers. That's not the reality. I think the reality is most of the AI engineering jobs are not centered around AI models. Yeah. So in this video, I'm going to cover that. I'm also going to cover my roadmap, skills that you need to acquire, and what are the type of AI engineering jobs out there, and some of my advice for you if you want to step into this field. One of the most frequently asked questions is my roadmap. How did I learn and what skills did I acquire? So as a CS student, I already have some of the basic programming, data structure knowledges. I already have them. So my roadmap honestly starts in the last summer. When I was trying to land an internship, I didn't get one. So I was trying to like utilize my summer at this maximum. So I started learning the AI side of development, starting with LangChain and LangGraph. Not to say they are the best frameworks out there, but they are a pretty good starting point because they're very easy to use. LangChain is really up to date when it comes to like catching up to the latest AI trends. And also their LangChain Academy, I think they did a pretty good job in providing walkthroughs and courses in how to use their products. One of their courses that helps me a lot is the Deep Agent. So even though that one's tailored specifically around their like LangChain ecosystems, but some of the concept it covered, I think is really valuable, like how Deep Agents is a long horizon AI harness similar to Cloud Code, OpenCode, and PyAgent. And it also covers like memory management, context engineering, and breaking down a big task into smaller tasks using principal agents, and how this principal agent is able to create a to-do list, update to-do list, and summon sub-agents. Those are the really cool things and valid things. That also is the mainstream of how long horizon AI harness works. So yeah, I think that is a really good starting point. So with that being learned, it's very easy to just start your own project and do that very loudly. So for details on those, you can check out those videos. I made a series of videos from 1 to 3, covering every single bit, how I started learning, how I got found the project I want to do, and how I eventually got there. Yeah, if you haven't watched that, please go check it out. Yeah, talking about different types of AI engineering jobs, the first group of people I can think of are the AI research scientists. So think about people who are working in the research lab for the latest GPT models or Anthropic models, or like some of the open source Chinese models like the Kimi K3. So typically this role requires at least a master's degree and preferably PhD degrees, and have multiple papers already in this field. And those people are not only just like working on large language models. In the AI models, there are many different types of them. Some are like visual language models, visual language action models. You can think of those models are for this humanoid. And also like speech to text, which is also known as STT or TTS models, embedding models. Yeah, there's tons of AI models, you name it. All of them are pretty much based on transformer architecture. So if you're a person who are really into research and really good at math, and you are very into academia, I think those type of roles are great for you. Yeah, and then moving on to the next, I'm thinking about AI infrastructure roles. So those are the people are more filling the gap between the AI models and the company products. Yeah, in my understanding, I might be wrong. I think AI infras can be divided into two types: the hardware side and the software side. On the hardware side, you can think of those people are working with company computing resources and like graphic cards and like memories, and their job is to provide reliable and efficient AI services throughout the company. They typically require skills in CUDA, V, LLMs, and SGLang. Again, I might be wrong. I don't know that much on this field. But on the software side, which aligns with my jobs a lot, are providing like company-specific frameworks, packages, so then like every teams in your company can use your code, your packages to efficiently develop like agents or AI tools or stuff like that, you name it. And then as for the requirement for the software side of the AI infra, I think it overlaps with software engineers quite much. Some of the basic things like version controls, Linux systems, networkings, algorithms, data structure, database management, yes. Also a set of AI side of skills and knowledges, especially in the like agentic development side, and also basic knowledge of the transformer architecture. I think it would be great for you to understand that. AI harness, MCPs, skills, especially on the AI harness side. I think it'd be great to know how does the harness is able to handle like long horizon tasks, how it's able to split a task into like smaller tasks and summon like sub-agents to do it, how they're doing the memory management and like context engineering. So those are the things I think is very essential when it comes to AI infra on the software side, because without them, it's really difficult for you to like come out with designs and system to efficiently manage and provide AI services. And then coming down the list, the next group I'm going to talk about are those Gen AI / AI application engineers. So this is our group of people that you typically use like open source softwares or packages or the packages provided by the AI infra team to build specific functions, features aligned with their team's products. So things can be like AI chatbots, AI assistants, agentic workflows, AI-powered SaaS products. So this type of role typically requires some of the basic things, again, in the SDE sides, as well as front-end, back-end. All right, yeah, that's enough talking. Let's see some of the AI jobs postings in the Canadian market. Okay, so take this one for example. I found this one's pretty good example of the AI research side. So Cohere is also a company that does the foundation AI models, mainly to business customers. So in this one, it says stay up to date with the latest research in code LLM agents and related field. I think one of the job description is design, implement scalable strategy to train AI models, deploy agents framework for inference sampling, create SFT trajectories. So this one I think is pretty research intense, and you should be really cutting edge to the like academics of the AI field. So right here you can see the good fit should have a PhD in computer science, top tier publications. Yeah, and some of the basic tech stacks right here. Okay, so let's take a look at so right away I noticed one thing is that some of the job titles aren't necessarily clear about like asking what it's doing. If you don't know this, like each of those companies already, agentic AI engineers, you probably would be thinking about like building like AI harness or like building agents, or even can be like AI infra side. So right away, the keywords here: full stack developments, agentic AI engineering, and AI assistant coding workflows. So if I see this one, I'll probably think of like front and back end skills, and those two can indicates like AI harness and like land graph or link chain. So if we scroll down, what you'll be doing, backends, APIs, and data systems. Yeah, so it sounds like very standard like Gen AI applications development. And like I said, a lot of things it overlaps with like traditional software engineering. So like CI/CDs, like coding skills are still a must-have, even though it doesn't really directly indicate like GitHub or like Linux system, but I'm pretty sure they use that in their day-to-day. Yeah, and then now take a look at this: Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, and React. So this sounds like pretty standard full stack development. Yeah, so this one right away sounds like land graph. You can do it, or like Codex SDK or like OpenCode SDK can be really good fit for this functionalities too. Okay, going down, nice to have. Yeah, Docker's Kubernetes. Yeah, because I think one thing people are giving AI agents more and more accessibilities. Things they can do can be really crazy. Depends on how much access you give it to it. So keep them in a safe sandbox is really important. So more and more companies are skewed towards using VMs or sandbox to limit the agents. Yeah, I also got a lot of comments from you guys are saying you really wanted to work in the AI engineering field. And I think that's pretty cool. I really encourage you to do it, and especially prepare yourself for the future job market. You might be thinking, so now pretty much every software engineer are working with AI. So is like the traditional CS fundamentals still gonna be worth it? That's a hard yes. So some of the basic things like programming, data structures, algorithms, database and software engineering, life cycles, yes, those are still very valid things you have to know in order to work in this field. But besides that, I think it'd be great for you to start your AI projects early. Things like you can build an AI chatbot or start early on your RAG applications, AI agents especially, and then build yourself like something you actually want to use. So I think especially right now, learning something is so simple and easy right now. AI pretty much are baby step you towards what you're gonna learn. So that's actually my day-to-day too. I've been learning new things every day since the first day of working. Yeah, I've been learning crazy much. For example, I never published a package before on NPM. I never thought I would do that one day, but this job really took me to that adventure. I learned how to publish packages, how to like build like handshakes, envelopes, those kind of things. I never thought of I would use that, but yeah, I know I learned it. With AI, everything is so easy. Okay, just a quick recap. So AI engineering is not just one job. It consists with multiple different jobs. The first can be think about is are the research scientists who works on the fundamental models itself, and also AI infrastructures. Those are people who are responsible for providing AI services reliably, efficiently in the organization. And then third are those AI application builders. Each of them all require some fundamental CS knowledges like programming, data structure, algorithms, and software engineering development cycles. And if you're a student who are still in college, learning the CS fundamentals is really no shortcuts. You still have to do it. Although I think the coding is becoming less and less an important skill, but those are still pretty valid. You still have to learn it, unfortunately. Yeah. But now, besides learning those, you can start early on your like AI applications journey. You can start building small projects all the way to big projects. Do it loudly so people can hear you, like HRs or like recruiters can like see your progress. They'll be able to reach out to you. Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much everything I can think of right now. Yeah, if you think this video is useful and you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, good luck in your AI journey.